Hello there. In this guide, I will cover how to create a custom Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation image with pre-installed apps, necessary files, and other environment and application settings. The first is to perform a clean Windows installation on a virtual machine or computer. Make sure to download the original Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation image as an ISO file or burn it directly to a bootable USB flash drive using the media creation tool or Rufus. Press Ctrl Shift F3 keys together when prompted to select regional settings. Pressing Ctrl Shift F3 keys will put the computer into audit mode and you will be automatically logged in as the built-in administrator account. When the desktop appears, don't close the system preparation tool. Then you can start installing programs and updates and configuring the necessary Windows settings. Customize desktop shortcuts, start menu tiles, wallpapers, screensavers, color scheme, and more. You can configure local group policy settings. These settings will be applied to all computers that you deploy from this custom Windows image. Once you have set up the operating system and application, you must clean up Windows to reduce file image size. I posted the download link for the zip archive that you can use to clean up Windows to reduce image size. When you download the clean up zip archive, right-click the clean up zip archive and select Extract All from the context menu. Click Extract button. Double-click the custom Windows image creator.bat file. Let it do its work. This can take few minutes to finish. Final step is to prepare your custom Windows image for deployment with the Sysprep.exe tool. From the Sysprep.exe tool, select the following options. From System Cleanup Action drop-down list, select Enter System Out-of-Box Experience OOBE. Place a check mark on Generalize. And from the Shutdown Option drop-down list, select Shutdown and click OK button. When this process is complete, computer will automatically shut down. At this stage, you will need to capture an offline Windows image from a local drive, save it as a WIM file, and place it on a separate drive. I recommend connect the 60 GB empty drive to computers. I had used the Windows installation USB stick to boot my computers into Windows setup screen. From Windows setup screen, click Shift F10 keys together to open the command prompt. First thing to do is identify the drive letters assigned to Windows partition and the empty drive to which the WIM file will be copied. Run the following commands. Looking at the size of the drive, I can determine C is the drive letter assigned to Windows partition E is the drive letter assigned to my SanDisk USB flash drive where I will store WIM file that I will capture using the Dism command line. Type volume command to exit this part. To capture an offline window image from the C drive and save the resulting WIM image to E drive, run the following command. You can find this command at the description section of this video. Press Enter key when you're done typing the command. Capturing of a Windows image can take quite a long time to finish, so be patient please. The operation completed successfully. Once you have captured your customized Windows image, you can replace the original install.wim or install.exe image file in the sources folders on the installation USB drive. Note that the WIM image size with pre-installed software can be significantly increased. If you have a FAT32 bootable USB key for installing Windows on UEFI computers, you cannot save the WIM file larger than 4 GB on this file system. A large image file must be split into several smaller SWM files. To do that, visit the description section of this video to execute this command that allows you to split WIM image to several smaller SWM files. After splitting, 4 files will be created. Copy these files to source boot folder on installation media. Now you can use your Windows bootable USB flash drive to deploy the image you created on any computer. That is it. If you have any questions, please post your questions at the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to show your full support and please like the video. Thank you for watching.